Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and make sure both join the same network. Sign into Windows 11 using the Microsoft account that matches your Android account. This syncs permissions and contacts. Next, install or open the Your Phone Companion app on your Android device, then open the Phone Link app on Windows. Once done, choose Add Device and follow the simple prompts. This initiates a secure pairing process between phone and PC. Once the initial connection starts, the Phone Link app will show a QR code or a numeric code. Scan or enter it on your phone. You must grant permissions. Allow notifications, messages, contacts, and storage access so the apps and files can flow both ways. Make sure to allow background activity for the companion app and add it to any battery optimization exclusions. Otherwise, Android may kill it and break sync. After permissions, Phone Link will finish setup and begin syncing content. Now you can make calls, send SMS from the PC, view notifications, and drag files between devices. Test each feature to confirm. If something fails, first restart Bluetooth on both devices and relaunch the Phone Link app. Make sure you reauthorize any denied permissions. If problems persist, verify both devices use the same Microsoft account, confirm they are on the same network, and update the apps and Windows. One quick tip: toggle the companion app's background permission. Many failures resolve instantly when background access is restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.